Hello, everyone. What's up? Today I have a very important message, and I want you to pay close attention to this video because today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Sugar Defender Bello before you decide whether or not to buy this product. And I also have some extremely important warnings to give you here. The first warning is to be careful about the link you use to buy the product, because you could run the risk of buying something that isn't original and losing your money. This product is now only sold on the official website, and to help you, I've left the link to the official website below in the description and in the comments of this video. Now, I'm going to tell you what Sugar Defender is and whether it really works. Sugar Defender was developed by doctors to be a powerful and effective blood sugar support and all-day energy aid. When you use it, you'll notice less hunger, more energy, and better blood sugar readings. All of this can be explained because the body seeks to maintain a stable blood sugar level, similar to a fuel gauge that indicates when it needs to refuel. When levels are low, the body sends signals to refuel, usually resulting in food intake. This may explain why we sometimes feel tired, even after a full night's sleep. Sugar Defender eliminates these effects and, best of all, it has been designed with natural ingredients such as eleuthero, coleus, maca root, African mango, guarana, gymnema, ginseng, and chromium. All these ingredients together promote fat burning, stimulate metabolism, keep the heart healthy, and control blood glucose levels. What's more, it's extremely convenient to take. Simply place a dropper full under your tongue in the morning before breakfast, or dissolve a dropper in a glass of water. Another very important thing you need to know is that this product comes with a full 60-day guarantee, so you can test the product, and if it doesn't work for you, the supplier will give you your money back. So there's no risk whatsoever. Also, when you buy Sugar Defender, you get 2 free ebooks to learn about the best medicinal teas and how to manage diabetes. And again, if you're going to buy this product, be careful with the website and make sure you get the right treatment at the right time so that you get the most significant results. I really hope I've helped you, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.